Hi, I'm Anna McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 24 Spring Street in Yeppoon.
Situated on a 450 metre square allotment, this character-filled 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home really is one to inspect.
Come on in and have a look.
This property has been seamlessly renovated to ensure that none of the character of the home has been destroyed. This gorgeous ornate walk-through, wooden floors and high ceilings is absolutely stunning.
So guys, there you have it, 24 Spring Street in Yeppoon. Side access, 6x6 shed, plenty of room for the kids to play. If you'd like to make an inspection, give Anna and myself a call. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.